Welcome back to Teen Technology. Let's go over the features of Grok 3. Using the Think feature, Grok 3 can help you write code. So what we did was we gave it a prompt saying, create a lightning node in Golang. Assume that Bitcoin Core is already set up. So Grok is going to think on a step-by-step how we can set up our lightning node in the most efficient way using Go. And now Grok is going to give us a step-by-step, the prerequisites, the sample code, and the terminal commands that we're going to use to launch our node. Make sure to set up Bitcoin Core and have the Go package installed. Next is we're going to use the Think feature, and we're going to have Grok create an image that has the text in the image. We're going to tell it where to place it, giving it an image. So let's see what it gives us. So Grok is going to give us the CSS. The CSS they gave us was a card, or in their case, a badge that the text will place upon that will go above the image. And here is our CSS and our code. They also gave us a path for the image, and here's the final product. Next, we're going to use the DeepSeek feature, and we're going to take a website, and like we've done before, we're going to take our data analytics that we created in our report and put that in to Grok and have Grok give us some insights. So we're giving Grok the website, authority score, organic traffic, the backlinks, some sample keywords, and maybe social media if they have any social media. You really want to give Grok as much information as possible. Even give Grok your insights as well so that it can have something to work with. So here's our solution. So the key points: it seems like improving SEO can boost visibility. Research suggesting that focusing on local keywords like chiropractic massage near me and new ones like emergency chiropractic near me can attract ready-to-book patients. Evidence leans towards enhancing Google reviews and backlinks to build trust and improve rankings. Then they give a review of a current SEO analysis that we gave it. And here are some action steps for getting sales. Optimize the content, boost local presence, create engaging content, and build backlinks. You can use guest posts. You can start a blog or YouTube channel. You can join directories like the merlingroupworld.com or Yelp to increase visibility and backlinks. Improve technical SEO and implement Google Tag Manager into the website for real-time data analytics that go beyond some of the tools. You want to convert traffic, so add clear CTAs like book appointment now or run promotions in conjunction with social media or Google Ads, or you can run promotions that tie in with getting social traffic. Survey note, comprehensive analysis and action plan for SEO and sales conversion, your current SEO performance. This is based on April 1st, 2025. SEMrush indicates an authority score of 8. Organic traffic is 16. Backlinks are 107. However, Ahrefs gives you a 0 organic traffic. That's why you want to implement Google Tag Manager, because that will give you real-time analytics. Industry benchmarks. Gotch SEO for chiropractors highlights that 80% of people use search engines for health information. 97% of consumers search online for local businesses, while 75% don't scroll past the first page. For healthcare sites, average sessions per user are around 1.4, indicating urgentchiropractic.com's current traffic is significantly underperforming. Best practices include mobile friendliness and some tools, on-page SEO, local SEO, and content creation. Connecting SEO to sales. As noted in WebFX Chiropractic SEO Services, the strategy leverages the high intent of keywords like best chiropractic near me, which suggests users ready to book. So you want to focus on keywords that imply ready to book and then add those CTAs to have your SEO convert into sales. Grok can do so much for your social media and business. Make sure to subscribe for more.